friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Heihei from Moana. So first let's get started in the center with the nose. So stepping further out, we're going to curve this line around and then down, creating a nice big arch line. Let's step further in now, leaving a gap, and we're going to replicate that. Bringing that down. Now from here, let's close this off on the bottom with a curved line from left to right on both sides. In the center, moving down, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. In the center now, on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then down in the middle. And then starting from that center point, we're going to curve that back over and across on the right. Now let's draw in our eyes. So on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line up towards the top. And then from that point, we're just going to draw in a nice big half circle, curving this line around and then in towards the side. And then to the bottom right of this, we're going to draw in a small circle. Let's move up on the left-hand side now. Starting on the left-hand side, moving further across, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then up. And then again from here, we're going to draw a nice big half circle on top, curving this line around and then down at a point. In the top left-hand corner now, we're going to draw in a small circle. Now from here, let's draw on the top of the eye. So on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then coming underneath, we're just going to curve this line around and then in towards the mouth. Let's move over on the left-hand side now, moving up above the eye. We're going to curve this line around and then in on the top of the eye. And then on the bottom, just curving this line around and then back in. Let's move up in the middle now and draw in a curved line from left to right. And now let's draw the hair on top. So on the left-hand side, leaving a small gap, we're going to curve this line around and then across towards the right. From that point, we're going to curve this line around and then out. From here at that point, we're going to curve this line back around and in. Let's draw in a sideways letter V, bringing that out, back in. And then as we come down, we're just going to make that smaller. And then again, one more time, we're just going to draw a small triangle, bringing that out and then back in. Now let's draw in the body. So coming underneath our chin here, we're going to, on the left-hand side, curve this line around and then out. On the right-hand side, stepping further across underneath here, we're going to replicate that, ending that at the same height. Now from here, we're going to close this off on the bottom with a curved line from left to right. So we're going to arch this line all the way around and then up on the right. For the pattern on the inside now, on the right, we're going to curve this line down and then up. From that point, we're going to stretch that even further down, curving that around and then back up. Again, from this point, we're going to curve that down, up. One more time as we come across. And then we're just going to curve that out towards the side. Let's draw in the legs now. So in the center, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes directly down towards the bottom of the page. To the right of this, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then we'll do the same thing on the left-hand side, and we're just going to end that at roughly the same height. From here, we're going to draw in a small curved line that stretches out to close that off on the bottom. Let's move down now and draw in our legs and our feet. So on the inside, we're going to curve this line down towards the bottom. Again, we'll do the same thing over on the left, and we're just going to end that at roughly the same height. Now from here for the bottom of the foot, we're going to curve this line around and then in at a point. And then we're going to do the same thing on the left. So we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then in the center, we're just going to curve this line around and then down on both sides. Let's move over to the left now and draw in the tail. So we're going to start on the top and we're going to curve this line around, bringing that in. From that point, we're going to again curve that up and across toward the side, again leaving a small gap. From here, we're going to curve this line around, in, ending that at the same height. And then from that point, we're going to curve that up and over. Now from here in the corner, we're going to curve this line down. And then we're just going to draw in a small zigzag pattern as we come all the way over towards our left leg. And that is it. That's how you draw Heihei from Moana. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.